Hey everyone, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for the latest tech updates and gadget reviews. So guys, this video is going to be very exciteful because for the first time we are going to unboxing and going to review the smart LED TV. Yes, we are going to unbox and review this Zebronics Smart LED TV from Conta series. So if you are someone who are going to purchase a smart LED TV, so this video is for you. So guys, watch till the end. So you are going to see in this video is unboxing, what's inside and the real performance of this LED TV from Zebronics. So watch till the end. So let's get started. Alright guys, this is how the box looks. Full bright yellow Zebronics branding, as here you can see. Here are some key highlights. You can see it is multi-connectivity with dual HDMI, with 2 USB ports, with RJ45, and this smart LED TV is 80 cm widescreen with 1366 to 768 HD resolution, and also here you can see wall mountable multi-connectivity and bezel-less design. So without wasting time, let's unbox this. So guys, here you can see the box comes with very nice packaging. Here we get a TV stands. It's a right stand and it is the left stand. And here guys, it is a wall mount. And here is the star of the show guys. And here we get a TV remote and a whole book guys for user manual. And here is our star of the show guys. Look at the guys, TV looks very pretty minimal. It is bezel-less design on 3 sides, which gives a modern and premium look. Even though this is a budget segment TV, Zebronics has kept the build quality very decent. And on the back guys, here we get the wall mount slot and all your connectivity ports. Look at here. So this TV comes with 2 HDMI ports and 2 USB ports, and also here we get a coaxial output port. And here we get to see a power cable. Just we have to connect and our TV will start. So best in multi-connectivity. So whether you want to connect a set-top box, gaming console, pen drives or external speakers, so everything is supported. And now let's talk about the display. So yes guys, this is an HD 1366 to 768 panel with A grade display quality. So without wasting time, let's connect this smart TV. Here you can see guys, our smart TV is powered on. The TV is started. Now let's connect to Wi-Fi. It has 3 mode guys: net mode, wired network and wireless. You can connect the smart TV by these 3 modes, that is wireless and also wireless and wired network. Now we will add the Wi-Fi network. And one thing guys, this smart TV doesn't support 5 GHz network. Yes, you have to connect to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Yes, here you can see after adding password, just tap on OK. Yes, it is connecting. Yes guys, we are at home page now. You can see play something. Now let's check its performance. So guys, if you want to watch YouTube and all, so first off we have to download. Here you can see I'm downloading the YouTube app. Okay, let's open it up. Yes guys, we are on YouTube now. Wow guys. Yes guys, you can see colors look very bright and good viewing angles. Sharpness is decent and bezel-less design makes it look bigger. How amazing with nice picture quality. This display is perfect for normal TV watching, YouTube, OTT apps and everyday entertainment. Now let's test the sound quality. We will increase the volume now. So yes guys, the sound output is surprisingly loud for 32-inch TV, as it has 20 watts of inbuilt speaker. Yes, the display is ultra bright display guys. Voices are clear and bass is average as expected in this price segment. Good for small rooms like bedrooms, hall, living room. So now let's talk about its smart features, guys. This is a smart LED TV from Zebronics. So you get Wi-Fi support, smart LED apps, screen mirroring, media playback from USB, and remote with quick access buttons. And also it has many shortcuts on this remote control. As here you can see, you will get many shortcuts in this remote control. Here we will YouTube button, Netflix, Prime Video, and Disney Hotstar. Just tap on this, so it will automatically, the app will start it, so there is no need for searching the apps. And here also we get a mouse button for mouse cursor, and it has best part, we get a screenshot button. So if you want to take a screenshot of the screen, you just take like this. Look at this. So we can also take screenshots, and we can also browse whatever you want. So the user interface is simple and easy to use, perfect for users who want a straightforward smart TV experience. And about the performance test, while navigating through settings and apps, the TV feels smooth. It's not super fast Android TV, but for the price, the performance is fine for YouTube, media playback, mirroring, basic apps. If you are a heavy OTT user, it works well too. So guys, my final review is, should you buy it or not? First, I will tell about its pros. So it has bezel-less premium design, good HD picture quality with loud and clear sound, multi-connectivity, wall-mountable, budget-friendly, and also A-grade display panel. And about the cons, it is not full HD, but HD is fine at 32. Basic smart features, not full Android TV. So guys, that's it. This was the complete unboxing and full review of Zebronics 32P1 SE Smart LED TV from Quanta series. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, stylish and featured-packed 32-inch TV, so this is definitely a great option. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like this video, subscribe to TechnoWaves, and tell me in the comments what product you want me to unbox next. Thanks for watching.